Hello everyone, this is Hossein Mokhtarzadeh, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the flow and how we can control and show a graph, for instance, a motion of an object in a 3D environment or in VR. This is a Motek device, and I'm going to talk about the flow. Let's just get moving. So we showed in one of the generator tutorial that how we can generate and connect, for instance, the movements of each channel to an object, if you remember it. In 3D, we see it as follows. See, you have two sine and cosine, which means so you have a circular motion of that object. We want to make sure if that is circular. This is not circular actually, because one of them is time 10. You can actually observe it here as well, like elliptical sort of. What we want to see is how actually quantify that, how we can see the motions. We bring the graph, as you can see here, graph module, bring from the generator side. And when you do that, usually it's connected the generator to all the graphs. So we just need to have a look at the first and second one, right? So we just delete that, as simple as that. Delete, yes. So you have the first and second. If you double click on it, you can see, you can observe what is happening. One of them is sine, the other one is cosine, right? You remember that? And it's like 10 times. If you make it like 10, 1, which is similar amplitude between 0 to 1, so you can see that they go, there's a phase change, but the magnitudes are the same, right? You can actually do the same thing. For instance, if you delete this one, go to the output of the object. Should be somehow the same, right? Graphs. So let's just delete all these unused ones. So the object is getting the same motion from the generator. So the output would be the same, right? So we could quantify and visualize. You can right click and scale as you wish. We're going to make some changes. Just delete some of these, right? So for some reason, yep. Okay, so that's the difficulty. So you see why one of them is 0, like number 2, because position Z is not what we are interested. Position of the Z and X are what we are interested. All right, goes to the graph 2. And then we have the sine and cosine. That's good for today. Enjoy using the flow.